The future of app development isn't just about writing fewer lines of code, it's about describing your intent. Welcome to the era of AI native creation. Today we're reviewing Onspace AI, a platform built on this very principle. It aims to empower anyone to turn ideas into powerful AI applications in minutes, no coding required. Let's break down what that actually means, what you can create, and the fine print you need to know. Onspace AI is positioned as a leading no-code AI app builder. Its core promise is to take you from an idea to a live shipped product incredibly fast. Citing an example like AI Home Design, which went from concept to the App Store in just 24 hours. The process starts for free with no credit card required, and they emphasize you can start building within 30 seconds. The fundamental experience is about describing your vision in natural language. You simply tell the platform what you want to build, and its agentic AI handles the rest, generating the necessary code for you. The pricing for Onspace AI is structured across 3 main tiers to suit different user needs. The free plan is designed for getting started and offers access to public projects, the iOS, Android, and Web AI App Builder, Agent Mode, and the Code Editor at no cost. The Pro plan, priced at $25 per month, builds on the free tier by offering up to 7,500 credits monthly for more substantial usage. It includes advanced AI coding models, the ability to create private projects, removal of the Onspace branding, custom domains, faster generation speeds, and usage-based AI features. For organizations with specific or high-volume requirements, the Enterprise plan provides a custom solution. It includes all Pro benefits plus additional enterprise-grade features such as default exclusion of data from AI training models, enhanced performance through priority queue access, single sign-on SSO capability, and dedicated support from an exclusive customer service team. Thanks for watching. I am looking forward to create another video for you, so wait it.